welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this one, again, hella belatedly, is the November 2021 premium box. So we've got our little card here, and in no particular order, we're gonna just reach in and grab stuff. So first thing we have from the brand Rodial is the Blush Drops, which retail for $50, and this is in the color Frosted Pink. Enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's like in a legit little dropper bottle. Okay. Stickers coming off the bottom, but that's alright. Okay, it almost looks like metallic pink. That would be because it is a tad metallic pink. Okay. I bet there's probably some trial and error to that one. We're not figuring that out tonight, but sometime soon, because that does look fun to play with. Just not for tonight. So, there's that. From the brand Galactic, which you know I love, we have the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. I think I have more of this. This is $20. Fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky and is the perfect to-go formula for a glassy finish. The formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. Like, I am so freaking serious. I'm, like, almost positive I have one, like, right over here somewhere, but not quite directly in view for me to check, so I'm like, dang it, but I'm like positive of it, so that one might be one I stick on eBay if it is in fact identical. And what is this? We have, oh, it's cute, look at that, that is so my aesthetic. So, this is from the brand The Better Skin Co., and this is the Eye Bright Now. This retails for $38, and it says, wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ah, okay. That sounds pretty dang decent. Keep that nearby. Like, I don't think it'll be the very next eye thing I put in the skincare fridge, but I'll keep it in mind. Okay, then from the brand Riddle, or Riddle Oil, I guess. This is the original roll-on oil, and it's $50 for this dinky little thing. That is crazy. Made with simple ingredients of amber and musk, the original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. How it's just like, huh? Alright, let's see. What's it smell like? Given that it's a riddle and all. Ooh. That is nice. It's light, but it's definitely really, really pretty smelling. But at the same time, yeah, if you ask me what the hell that smells like, I don't think I'd be able to give you a straight answer on that. So, alright. It's different, but I like it. Then we have, and I think I have one more of this around somewhere too, so this is probably going on eBay. From Nude Sticks, this is, yeah, Nude Skin by Nude Sticks, Lemonade, Detox, and Glow Micro Peel. This is $34 for this. The Lemonade Detoxin Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenating the skin tone and texture. Powered with enzymatic peeling action of papain, along with the renewal properties of apple and pomegranate extracts, this skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for a radiant, youthful glow. Okay. I literally just got that in a different one too, so I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I have 2 of that. Then the last thing is by the brand Persona Cosmetics, and it's the Identity 2 eyeshadow palette, which retails for $42. Ready for a bolder persona, the Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity palette, with more stunning shimmers and epic color payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. So let's look at it. Oh, I like the names of the colors. Honest, kind, loyal, independent, passionate, unique, driven, confident, empowered, resilient, brave, and limitless. Okay. Huh. Okay. I guess it had some powder fallout. Okay, let me put the box over that because it's a mirror that I can't tilt further back than this angle, but look at those colors. I am here for those. Those are great autumnal colors, like autumn into winter, which, before you know it, we'll be back there again, so it'll be nice to have that on hand for when we get there. And that was all that was in this particular box, which took me freaking forever to get around to opening, but now that I did, we can start reviewing stuff soon. So, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.